Well, look what I've got a surprise today. Do an unboxing because we've got a Zhiyun crane gimbal. It's great, but it takes a long time to start to get it all happening and put it on the camera. I've got the quick release here, but even then, sometimes you just want something quick and easy.
And it's very heavy too.
Yeah. So
I find it very heavy.
So Ange decided to buy me this Small Rig SR-RG1. So let's see what it looks like on the camera. So this is very small. It's a lot smaller than the gimbal. It's a lot lighter too. It's a little tripod as well. Like that. It's got a remote control. It's a magnet, so there's a Bluetooth remote. But it's also, what I find good about it, you can actually screw in another tripod into there to make it higher and longer for your reach. So let's put it on the camera and see. So this basically screws into the bottom of the camera. It's got a little knob, little wheel there that you turn, or you can turn the camera, whatever is easier for you. There's a release button here that you press to spin the camera around. So it's a lot easier than turning the whole thing around. And yeah, it looks pretty awesome.
And the best part is that it's got a selfie stick on it too.
Yes, it pulls out. As you can see, and press it here to move the camera. I don't know if it's going to stand up on this tripod, but let's give it a go. See what it looks like on this tripod. No, not that way, but it can be the other way. So you need the other tripod. You need a straight tripod to make it stand up the other way, because it won't stand up like that when it's extended, but when it's in, it will stand. And you can adjust it. There, it's Bluetooth, so you can the remote control. And it all goes to the
And it's not for you, Max. Cool. So we'll give it a go and then we'll let you all know how it works. Well, that could be your birthday present.
Doing a test with the small rig, just taking Max for a walk to see how it functions. There's Max the Doodle getting ready to go for his walk. He's very excited. Maxie, you want to say hello to everybody? No, I'm going for a walk. That's Max for you. No, he's not interested, he wants to go for a walk. Okay, we're just going to see how it works off here, off the ground. Just Maxie and I going for a little walk, as we do. This is pretty much our every second day walk, and it makes him happy. He loves going for little walks. And that's Max the Doodle going for a walk. Now I'm just testing out the stabilisation on the small rig. It's not a gimbal, but I'm hoping the camera stabilisation does well here. We'll go for a little jog, just to see how it works. I'm bouncing up and down because I'm running. I don't expect it to be as good as the gimbal, but it's pretty awesome. Simple to use. Now we're going to flip the camera around, very, very simple. And let's see what's the zoom like. Let's have a look. Remote zoom on the remote control. Come back, beautiful. Now we're just going to walk back. Hope it's nice and stable. I'm just walking normally. I'm not doing a ninja walk, as I tell you to do. That was me testing out the new small rig that Angela brought me. And now I'm going home.